Greetings everyone, Dominic for another How I Solved It with Client. Today a quick tip related to a question from Billy Blue on how can we highlight key related records on a client page, and we'll use dynamic related lists for this. So here's how my page layout looks like in my environment here, where I have some sub tabs showing open milestones and uninvoiced items. This case, maybe when we're logging onto a project, we just want to have a quick snippet on key items. Open milestones might be one. So in a big project, you might have several milestones. You want to see what's still there, put some highlights and focus on the milestones. I could have a dynamic list here showing just open milestones right on my page layout. Same concept here with uninvoiced, where if I'm a project type time and material, then I have a certain number of lists showing timesheet splits for billable items, maybe my milestone payments that I could have for specific deliverables, or in some other cases, billing lines or expense lines if I have any. So to do just that, we just reach out to the setup and go into the edit page. This brings you on the backside of your page layout itself where you can configure that. So if you're a system admin, you should be able to do that. So here I have my tabs that we were seeing earlier. So let me reach the uninvoiced one. So to add those lists, we simply need to drag the dynamic related lists single and then drop it on our page. And then the configuration starts for each of those lists. So here, how I've set up the timesheet split ones, where we select the related list that we want to see. So any objects that are related to our client project record that we're looking at right now, what is the label that we want to use? And then going lower here, we have the related list fields that we want to see. So what are the columns that you actually want to show in your related list? So you can go and select any fields from the client task and the timesheet split, that we have here. Then we can sort and by some fields and define on the order. And then we get into the filters. So in this case, for this timesheet split list, I'm showing only uninvoiced. So where invoiced checkbox is equal to false. And then where the billable checkbox is equal to true. So only those timesheet split records are going to show here. We understand that it would be the same concept if we were to say only open milestones, so where milestones equal true, and then where status is not equal to completed. So you can think of several types of filters here. And then the other neat aspect here is the set component visibility. So maybe timesheet split, we don't necessarily want to have it on every types of project. Maybe we want to see it only if it's a time and expense type of project. So we can set based on the record that we're looking at. So in this case, the client project record, we can define what conditions would make this list view visible. So this is how we can use the dynamic related lists to show specific items or highlight key related records on our page layout. Obviously, that can be used on any types of records. We could also find lots of other examples, maybe even on invoices or your tasks themselves. Hopefully that helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to support@klient.com to continue the discussion on this. Thanks. Have a great day.